So this is a question on application of differentiation, of integration. Integration. So the weekly marginal revenue from sale of X pairs of tennis shoes is given by R prime X equals to 40 minus 0.02x plus 200 over x plus 1. Okay? Over x plus 1. Okay? So where Rx is revenue in dollars. Okay, so then given R0 equals to 0, find the revenue function find revenue from sale of 1,000 pairs of shoes. So to do this, we must make use of integration, because to find f prime x to find Rx from f prime x, I need to integrate R prime x dx will give you my Rx. Right? Okay. So and that means I'll integrate this 40 minus 0.02x plus 200 over x plus 1 dx. Okay, and this will give me 40x minus 0.02 x squared over 2 plus, okay, when I integrate this would be 200 ln x plus 1 plus c, because when I differentiate this will give me 1 over x plus 1 and we'll have 200. Okay, so that's it. This will give me my Rx, but then they tell me R0 equals to 0. This implies what? This implies that 0 equals to 40 times 0. Okay, this times 0, so that means ln 1 is 0. That means C must be equals to 0, because that means this is 40, because R0 means R substitute 0, so 40 times 0 minus 0.02 times 0 square over 2 plus 200 ln what? Ln 1. What is ln 1? Ln 1 is 0. Okay, so therefore my C equals to 0. If my C equals to 0, therefore it tells me that my Rx is just 40x minus 0.01x squared plus 200 ln x plus 1 without the C. Okay, because the C is 0. And so then after that, they want the revenue from the sale of 1,000 pair of shoes, which is just this. Okay, so then I will just take 40,000 minus 0.01 multiplied by 1,000 square plus 200 and ln 1,001. Nope. So it's 1,001. Okay, because we substitute 1,001. And so to evaluate this, I just make use of the calculator. Wait, wow, 40,000 minus 0.01, 1,000 square, okay, plus 200 ln. Now where's my ln? It's my ln. Yeah, ln 1,001. Okay, that will give me my answer, which is about 31381 $9.75. Does it sound reasonable? Should be. Okay, because one pair of shoes is about 40 minus 0.01, so on to 40. Yeah, okay, should be reasonable. Okay, then yep, that's done. Okay, another question, another application question. The rate of healing for skin wound in cm square per day is approximated by a prime t equals to minus 0.9 e minus 0.1 t. Okay, if initial wound has 9 cm square area, what will its area AT be after t days, okay, and after 5 days? That means, in other words, we are going to find AT and A5. Okay, this is just A. The answer to this is just A5. So then, to find AT, okay, I need to integrate A prime t dt. In other words, I integrate minus 0.9 e minus 0.1 t dt. Now there is a formula. Let's say integrate f prime x efx dx will give me just efx plus c. Okay, so this one I must change it to minus 0.1, because when I differentiate this part, okay, this is my fx. When I differentiate, that means my f prime x would be equals to okay, nope, because this is in terms of t, so that means this is my ft. Okay, and then my f prime t would be equals to minus 0.1. Okay, so I need this part to be minus 0.1, so I'll change it to minus 0.1, but it can't change just like that, so I need to multiply a 9 on the outside, so I'll get e minus 0.1 t dt, and now it's in this form. This is the f prime t and this is the ft, so that means I could just change this to 9 e minus 0.1 and t plus c. Okay, so if they say initial means time equals to 0. Okay, so that means my a0 equals to 9. That's what they are trying to say. So a0 equals to 9, therefore my 9e minus 0.1 to the times 0 plus c equals to 9. Okay, therefore this tells me exponential to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, so 9 plus, so c equals to 0, because 9 minus 9 is 0, so c equals to 0. Therefore my at, right, is just equals to 9e minus 0.1 t. That's all. This is the answer to this part. Right, after t days, this would be the area. And then what about after 5 days? So after 5 days, this would be 9e minus 0.5. That would be the answer for the second part. Okay. Now let's go to the one more question. So application of integration as well. So in business college, I guess, Okay, so average student enrolled progress at rate of n prime t equals to 12e minus 0.06 t word per minute per week, t weeks after enrolling in a 15-week course. Now, if at the beginning student can dictate in shorthand at 0 words per minute. So how many words per minute in terms of NT? Now, would the student be expected to handle T weeks into the course and after completing the course? Okay, so that means I want to find my NT. So T weeks after is just my NT. This is the NT that I will try to find, this one. And then after completed the course, because the course is a 15-week course, so I'll try to find N15 as well. And to find both of them, I will this is at the beginning is T equals to 0, so N0 from here is the clue that N0 equals to 0 words per minute. So N0 equals to actually 0. Okay, so these are the clues. So I find my NT. Similarly, I find my NT by integrating m prime t dt, and that means my integrate 12e minus 0.06 t dt. Okay, and that means I will need minus 0.06 over here, and that means my what? 12. Okay, so I take a calculator. It's 12 divided by 0.06. I'll see what is that. It's 200. 12 divided by 0.06 is 200. And because there's no negative sign, so I need to give it a negative sign as well. That e minus 0.06 t dt. So as time go by, we expect since the rate of progress is getting smaller and smaller, so as time go by, the improvement is going to be less and less. So this would give me minus 200 and just e minus 0.06 t dt. Oh no, there's no dt, sorry, just this plus c, still using the formula earlier, this formula. For exponential EFT dt. That's it. So I know that n0 equals to 0, and this means that from here n0 equals to 0, that means that c minus 200 e minus 0, e0 is 1, so 1 over 1 is still 1, so c minus 0 equals to c minus this equals to 0. The 0 come from here, okay, the 0 here, then the 0 substitute inside here. So okay, that means my c equals to 200, okay, and that means my nt equals to 12, no, nt comes from here, so you get minus 200 e minus 0.06 t plus 200. That is the number of words that they can type. So what about N15? When they complete the course, complete the 15-week course, that would be minus 200 e this is quite strange, okay, because I don't expect this to be a negative number. As time goes by, this would be lesser and lesser. So in the beginning, this is 200, okay. As time goes by, this would increase. That's strange, but let me try it out. So e minus 0.06 times 15, so 15 times 0.06 would be equals to 0.9, so minus 0.9 plus 200. So when n0 is 0, that means it will gradually progress to 200, and then I don't think it will improve anymore. So okay, so let's see what is the progress at the 15-week times exponential minus 0.9, okay, then add another 200. That would be about 118 words. Or 118, actually the 118.6 or 118.7. So depending on your level, you want the level of accuracy you want. So words are like you can't do conservative. I just write 118 words per minute. That's the what you can handle after 15 weeks. Okay, then the last question, solving differential equation. Find the particular solution for each of these equations. So dy dx equals to ex minus 3 when y3 equals to minus 5. So to find the particular solution, I integrate, okay, so I will make it this way. So ex minus 3, no, that means my y is equals to integrate ex minus 3 dx. When I differentiate this, I get 1, so that means my answer is just ex minus 3 plus c, okay. And because y3 equals to minus 5, this means that y in this case is a function, must treat it as a function. So y3 equals to minus 5, and on the other hand is equals to e3 minus 3, okay, plus c. e0 is 1, so c equals to 1 bring over becomes, so c equals to minus 6. So the particular solution is y equals to ex minus 3 minus 6. That's the answer. Then question 2. So dy dx is equals to 1 times 1 over 4 3 minus 6. Okay, so when I integrate y equals to 1 quarter, I can bring it out. So constant numbers, when it's a multiple, we can just bring it out of the equation. So then this, when I differentiate this, I'll get minus 1. So I'll rather be like this. Okay, so 3 minus x dx. So for this part, you make use of the idea of this again, fx dx equals to ln fx plus c, remember? So this is just minus 1 quarter, because when you differentiate the bottom, I get minus 1, which is the top. So I can just use this formula, ln 3 minus x plus c. Okay, so y0 equals to 1. So y0 equals to 1. So that means 1 equals to minus 1 quarter ln 3 minus 0, which is just ln 3 plus c. Okay, plus c. So this is a c. Okay. Then that means this would be minus 4. When I multiply, this would be minus 4 ln. Okay, so no, better not do it this way. So I will have my c equals to 1 plus 1 quarter ln 3. Okay, because y0 equals to 1. Okay, so therefore my y is equals to, the particular solution is just equals to minus 1 quarter ln 3 minus x plus the c, which is 1 plus 1 quarter ln 3. Okay, so this is the particular solution. So that's it for this tutorial. That's it.